In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to an email in Klaviyo. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or simply looking to enhance your email campaigns, this step-by-step guide is here to help you create eye-catching and interactive emails. First, let's start from the Klaviyo homepage. When you log in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, the central hub where you can access all your flows, lists, and campaigns. Take a moment to get familiar with this layout if you're new here. Now, we'll navigate to Campaigns. Look over to the left-hand menu bar, and you should see a tab labeled Campaigns. Click on it to move forward. This will bring you to a comprehensive list of all your email campaigns, where you can manage and track your previous or ongoing marketing efforts. Once you're on the Campaigns page, it's time to choose the campaign to which you want to add a button. Simply browse through your list and select the one you're ready to modify. It's crucial to identify the right campaign, as this is where you'll want to engage your audience further with a well-placed button. When you've identified the campaign, look over on the far right side of your campaign listing for 3 small dots. Clicking on these will reveal additional options. Select Edit Campaign from this drop-down menu. This is your gateway to modifying the campaign and implementing new interactive elements. Next, we'll enter the email template editor by selecting Edit from the top navigation bar inside your campaign settings. This part is where you configure the content, design, and overall appearance of your emails. Exciting, right? Here's where the magic happens. Now, you'll add blocks to your email, specifically a button block. On the right-hand menu of the template editor, find the option to insert blocks and select Button. This feature allows you to place an interactive button in your email wherever it makes the most sense for engagement. After inserting the button, a pop-up will appear on the left side of your screen. This is where you customize the button's look and feel. Make sure you give your button a name and input the URL where you want the button to redirect your recipients. Choosing the right destination is key to achieving your marketing goals, so consider this choice carefully. You can further refine the style of your button by exploring additional settings found below the URL input field. Experiment with different styles to ensure your button aligns with your brand's aesthetic and draws attention from your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly add a button to your Klaviyo email campaign, enhancing its functionality and improving customer engagement. Now you're all set to impress your subscribers with an engaging, actionable email. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.